this week's feast?
Peanut butter squares from Bravest Warriors. This week we are making something from the amazing cartoon Bravest Warriors. One of the mascots of the show, CATBUG, so cute, voiced by this little kid. Every time you hear him on the show, you're just like, oh, you're so adorable.
I know, you just want to hug him.
Drop him!
Okay!
And he has this incredible peanut butter square delicious recipe that we never ever get to see be eaten. But today, we're changing all of that.
Oh yeah, it looks so delicious in the cartoon, and it's just a vat of peanut butter colored squares.
Squares, yeah.
But it still looks so good. You can imagine it probably tastes so creamy and
yeah.
so delish. So we're gonna try to reenact that for you guys today, right here, right now.
Yeah, CATBUG would not settle for a bad recipe, so we put some time into this one. It's got 2 layers of frosting and a delicious underneath bar that's gonna blow your mind. All right, Ash, let's get baking.
Yes.
Start by creaming softened butter in a stand mixer or mixing bowl with your white sugar and brown sugar. When the color and consistency is the same, add in your eggs one at a time, vanilla extract, and globs of delicious peanut butter until it's silky smooth. In a separate bowl, combine your dry ingredients of rolled oats, baking soda, salt, and mix them together. Pour this into your original peanut butter mixture and you've created your batter for the base layer. Pour your batter into a greased square baking pan and smooth out the top with some wax paper so it's even throughout. Set this to bake for 17 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's going, melt butter, vanilla extract, milk, and peanut butter chips in a microwave until it's melted. Now that the cake is done, cut it into thirds horizontally and vertically and pour over your melted peanut butter chip mixture until it's evenly coated on top. Let this sit in the refrigerator until the top is completely cool and hardened. Once it's done, cut it again into thirds following your original lines, and voila! CATBUG is as proud as can be. You've made some incredibly tasty peanut butter squares that any brave warrior will need before their next adventure.
Your mom said to say I could have just one peanut butter square, but not till after they cool down. Yeah, everything is okay!
Yay! Good job, CATBUG. You
Yes.
figured it out. Okay, I can't eat with these on.
Nope.
But this looks delicious.
Oh my gosh,
Smells
look
good.
at that thick layer of
Thick.
frosting, dude.
I'm down. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Cheers. Dang!
Oh my God.
That is so good.
Oh my gosh, it's frosting.
And creamy
Oh.
and rich.
So
oh my
rich.
gosh. If you love peanut butter, this is your jam.
Yeah. And the oats and stuff give it that nice crunch.
Yeah.
Because whenever I eat something with peanut butter, I wanted to have a little crunch to it. I don't like creamy peanut butter that much.
So you don't like Reese's peanut butter cups?
No.
Well, this is a delicious dessert. Very simple to make. And in honor of CATBUG.
Good job, CATBUG. With your magical powers, you have conjured up another delicious thing for Feast of Fiction to make.
Well, Jim, another feast well done.
Another feast well done. This is definitely one of our tastiest cakes. Cakes? What would you call the cake?
Ish. It's kind of like a brownie bar. It's a bar.
It's a big bar.
It's a bar.
It's a big bar, and it's CATBUG approved, and
Yep.
this may be one of the tastiest ones we've ever made.
We set the bar pretty high here.
Oh my gosh, yes we do. Yes we do. Hey,
Oh.
and check it out. We're actually doing a giveaway tied to this episode. We're giving away little CATBUG over here, as well as CATBUG's iconic.
Pink mitts.
And we're gonna find a way to personalize it too
Yes.
for the winner.
So if you win, you get your name on these pink mitts.
Pretty sweet. It's very easy to enter. Everything you need to know is in the more info box below, but it's probably gonna be some form of following, maybe a post, maybe something very simple, but you know, there aren't that many people entering our contest. You actually have a pretty good chance of winning the gloves, CATBUG.
Yeah.
Some personalized things. Maybe we'll sign it. Maybe we'll send you a little video saying hi. Who knows? Make sure you check out the more info box if you want to find out how to enter.
Yep, that's the only way to know.
Don't forget to subscribe, follow, do all of that good business. And of course,
Let us know what you want to see us make next.
all right, we'll see you next week.
Bye-bye.
Bye.